SMD stands for Seimitsu Motion Drives as a trailblazer and the solution provider of various types of industrial gearbox in Taiwan. SMD is one of the largest solution provider and exporter of gearbox as well as motion products. Nowadays almost all applications use servo motor due to its efficiency, and hence the market for servo gearbox is growing day by day. Planetary gearbox in portal robot solar panel. The two-axis lifting system used in portal robot solar panel. The inline planetary, the direct input of inline planetary gearbox given to the axles to move the solar panels in same direction with simultaneous force. For stacking the solar panels on high. Harmonic gearbox with hollow shaft and can be used in a robotic arm. While the dimensions are low, the servo motor can be connected with gearbox by belt and pulley to initiate the motion. CNC plasma machine uses the harmonic gearbox to swing its torch in different angle to cut the material. The swinging movement of the torch is positioned with a servo motor with support of harmonic reducer.